Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and this is your boy Harshit back with yet another video. And in this video I'll be sharing with you guys something super exciting, which is basically web scraping. In this video we're going to be scraping none other than Brian Johnson's Instagram account for comments, images, and a little bit of metadata. So this is just going to be an example of how you can do this, but you can actually do this with other actual marketing accounts, or let's say a brand account. If you actually want some data on your competitors, let's say you're creating a skincare product and you want all the data about other skincare products, you can do that using a scraper and get all that information, store it in a JSON file, maybe use that, put that in Claude API, Claude AI, and then ask it for questions on what exactly do they do in their marketing style, what's the best feature that they have. You can extract anything from that, right? Because in this day and age, data is the most important thing here, right? Data is important. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to scrape some data from Instagram without getting banned. And if you don't want to get banned, you're basically going to use a proxy, right? And the proxy that I use and I definitely recommend is called tulip.io. I actually love the name, like tulip, like like a flower, tulip. And their proxies are literally lightning fast proxies with global IP variety. So in that case, I don't really have to, expose my actual IP address to Instagram, and Instagram can ban my IP address while I'm doing the scraping, and I don't want to be banned, right? That's why I want to use these proxies. So what are proxies? Like proxies is basically, it's going to mask your IP and have a different location, a different IP from a completely different country. So that's exactly what IP does, and I definitely recommend this because Tulip has actually different kinds of proxies and not just one kind of proxy. So there's like data center proxies, dedicated data center proxies, and my favorite is actually rotating residential proxies. So the proxies are on a rotational basis, and this is actually what I have. And if you guys check, you can definitely use my referral link, which is in the description. You can use my referral link and sign up to the proxy provider, which is Tulip. Right, and now when I just click on dashboard, this thing is going to open, and this is my dashboard, right? So it's a super simple, very clean dashboard, and there's also documentation if you want to read. It's docs.tulip.io. It's super important because you can simply take this link and put this back on your Cascade, or maybe if you're using Cursor, you can do that. Right, so now what we're going to do is I'm basically is going to open my rotating proxy. So I haven't configured my rotating proxies yet, so I'm just going to configure like 5 of them. So I do have my configuration here, but you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to use a data center proxies because it's more easier for my use case right now. So I have currently 5 countries, which is Argentina, Albania, Armenia, Australia, and Austria. You can just keep selecting as many you want. So all I'm going to do is just copy this. I'm just going to say, hey, Claude, here is my proxy config. All right, and next I'm just going to copy this Python. I'm just going to copy this again and say here is the format. All right, I'm just going to do command enter. Always do command enter because in that case it'll completely read through your entire file. So why am I adding this? Because I'm adding this because I want this to be completely integrated in my file, and I wanted to go into the proxy manager because proxy manager right now is completely empty. I have built my entire script, which is a proper script that's going to scrape, but I haven't added proxies, right? So that step, I want to show you guys how to do that. Command enter, and now it's just going to add all the proxies. So now as you can see, the Cascade is running, and it's that easy, guys. I really don't have to, do it manually. That's the best part about using Cascade and using AI, and all I have to do is just copy this. And it doesn't matter if you're using Python, use this. Node.js, use this format. It's just a simple format to hit the API of Tulip, right? So that's exactly why you need this. You can just copy this. Your generic is going to be here. Just paste it, and now, all right. So now I'll help you implement the sophisticated proxy manager that looks professional. All right, so open this, and now I'm just going to accept it. Done. Boom. All right, so now this is done. I'm done with this. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm actually run the script, which is python3 scraper.py. I'm just going to enter it. All right, so now as you can see, there's an amazing UI here, which clearly says Tulip secure proxies, 70 plus million global proxies and 195 countries available, and enterprise grade proxies. All right, so now it's basically just opened um, Brian Johnson's Instagram account. I actually haven't touched anything. It did it by itself. So it opens the scraper and then it's basically scraping everything. And all right, so now as you can see, all of this is just being added as well. Metadata analysis. All right, everything's being added here. So first, if you can see, this proxy status and all the countries that we actually took, like Austria, Albania. So everything that we basically took from our dashboard, it's currently there, right? Argentina, Albania, Austria, all right, Australia as well. So everything, you can basically see that it's actually using the configuration that I have copy pasted from here, and that's how easy it is. That's literally how easy this is. And guys, yeah, data successfully scraped and saved in Instagram data JSON. This is where it's been completely saved and powered by tulip.io enterprise grade proxies. So that's the video for today, guys. I just wanted to share with you guys an amazing video on how you can scrape Instagram accounts. It could be competitors, it could be brands, it could be influencers, to get the data. And if you don't want to get a blog or banned, you are supposed to use tulip.io. And guys, go ahead, click on my referral link, and you can basically use my referral link to sign up to tulip.io and get a super nice discount as well. All right, so that's exactly what we did for this video, and hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you guys got some value. See you guys in the next one. Peace.